Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your event registration with Eventbrite. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Eventbrite website. Click on the sign up button if you do not have an account yet. Fill in the required information to create your account. If you already have an account, click on the login button. Enter your email and password, then click login. Once logged in, select the Create Event button. Choose the type of event you are hosting. Fill in your event details, including the name, date, and location. Add a detailed description to inform attendees about the event. Set your event time and duration accurately. Decide if your event is online, in person, or a hybrid format. Now, navigate to the Tickets section. Select the type of ticket you want to offer. You can create free, paid, or donation-based tickets. Specify the number of tickets available and the pricing options. Next, configure your event settings. Enable or disable attendee registration requirements based on your needs. Check the box for Require registration to secure your event. You may also want to customize your registration form. Add any additional questions you may need from attendees. Save all changes to your ticket settings. Go to the Order Confirmations section to set up the confirmation email. Craft a welcoming confirmation message for attendees. Once everything is set, click on Publish. Your event is now live, and registration is open. You can share the registration link on social media or via email to reach your audience. Regularly check the dashboard for ticket sales and attendee information. Make any necessary adjustments before the event date. Secure event registration with Eventbrite ensures a streamlined experience for your attendees. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.